Mahalo soifua, my name is Aiono Manu Fa'aea. I'm a Senior Pasifika Manager at the Manukau Institute of Technology. This mahi is to do with the fact that the Institute released a strategic plan in 2018. My job is basically to make those words come to life out of that plan. The 4 goals are associated with transforming learner success. It's looking at increasing Pasifika capability, a focus on academic research, and finally community engagement. I don't choose the mahi chooses me, and I think my skill sets that have been developed from being a Samoan born in New Zealand, I've been able to transplant or transmit my cultural knowledge into my workplace. So I was asked to speak about community research from a Pacific lens, and I think in our communities there's this perception that research is only for academic institutions or universities, but I define research as it's a mindset about being curious, and if you're inquisitive and want to learn about things. One of the other colleagues in there talked about research to research, to look for things, and I think as Pacific people we constantly look for meanings, and being in Aotearoa, New Zealand, we have an opportunity to create new meanings about things, because I think for most of the time we're harking back to our ancestry for iconography or symbolism, but we have not yet tackled that idea around what are some other new symbols of our place since we've migrated into Aotearoa.